In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the Elliott Triangle Wave ABCDE on Tradingview, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to place the tool on your chart, adjust it, and customize it so it fits your personal trading style. First, make sure you're on the chart you want to analyze inside Tradingview. This can be any symbol or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open, move your eyes to the upper left side of the screen. This is where most of your drawing tools and pattern tools are located. From that toolbar, look for the section that contains different pattern tools. Click on the patterns icon to open the full list. In that list, you'll see many options, but the one we want is called Elliott Triangle Wave ABCDE. Go ahead and click that to activate it. Now, your cursor becomes the drawing tool for the triangle. We're going to create 5 points on the chart, which correspond to the A, B, C, D, and E legs of the Elliott triangle. Start by clicking on the chart where you want your first point to be. This will be your A point. Then move to where you want the second swing to end and click again to create the B point. Continue this process for the third point, which is C, then the fourth point, D, and finally the fifth point, E. Take your time with this. You can always adjust these later if the placement isn't perfect. Once the 5 points are placed, you'll see the full Elliott Triangle Wave pattern drawn on your chart. This pattern is often used to identify a contracting or expanding consolidation phase in the market. It can help you visualize where price is compressing before a potential breakout and gives you a structured way to label each leg of that consolidation. After it's on your chart, you're not locked in. You can move or adjust the pattern by clicking and dragging any of the points. This lets you refine the wave so it matches your price action more accurately. You can also customize the appearance. With the pattern selected, open the templates or style options. Here, you can change the color to make it stand out better against your background. You can also adjust the line tool width so the lines are thinner or thicker, depending on how visible you want them. If you want more control, open the settings for the pattern. In the settings menu, you can fine-tune how the labels and lines appear. If you're happy with your layout and don't want to accidentally move it, use the lock option to keep it fixed in place. If you decide you no longer need the pattern, simply click Remove to delete it from your chart. You'll also notice a 3 dots or More menu near the pattern or in the object tree. Clicking this opens additional actions and shortcuts related to that tool, giving you a bit more flexibility in how you manage it. To wrap up, the Elliott Triangle Wave ABCDE tool on Tradingview is designed to help you map out triangle corrections quickly and clearly. Use it to mark each leg of the triangle, study how price contracts, and prepare for potential breakouts, all while keeping your charts organized and visually consistent with your trading workflow.